Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from class 10 NCERT textbook chapter Applications of Trigonometry, exercise 9.1, question 9 and question 10. The question is, the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degrees, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 50-meter high, find the height of the building. There are two things, one tower and one building. So first we'll draw the drawing there. Let this be the ground level. Let this be the tower. The tower. And let this be the building. This is the tower. This is the building. Now the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower. So top of the building from the foot of the tower, it is 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. So from here to this is 60 degrees. If the tower is 50-meter high, the tower is 50 meters. Find the height of the building. So we have to find the height of the building. So we'll name the tower as AB and the building as CD. This now we have got two triangles, ABD one triangle and BCD one triangle, the two triangles. Let AB be the tower and CD be the building. Now we'll take triangle ABD, we'll take the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. This angle ADB is, and angle ABD, angle ABD is equal to 90 degrees. Then angle ADB, angle ADB is equal to 60 degrees. And now you will find BD in this triangle. You will find BD, you will find out first. So tan D will be equal to opposite side AB by BD, adjacent side BD. Tan D means tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 is equal to AB. AB is 50. 50 by BD. Next, tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to 50 by BD. If you cross multiply, you will get root 3 BD is equal to 50. Now I will divide both sides by root 3. So root 3 BD divided by root 3 will be equal to 50 divided by root 3. The root 3 will get cancelled here. So BD will be equal to 50 by root 3. Now I will rationalize the denominator. So BD will be equal to 50 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So BD will be equal to 50 root 3 by 3. Root 3 is 3. So BD is so many meters. We got BD. Now we'll go to the next triangle. BD, BC, triangle BCD. Triangle in triangle BCD, angle BDC is equal to 90 degrees. Angle CBD, angle CBD is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, now tan B tan, it's actually CBD, tan of CB, tan angle CBD equal to CD by BD. CD by BD. So it is tan 30. Tan 30 degrees is equal to CD by BD. No, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. That's equal to CD by BD. What's BD? BD is 50 root 3 by 3. 50 root 3 by 3. So 1 by root 3. Now we have to divide this fraction. So it will be CD into 3 by 50 root 3. We will reciprocate this fraction. So 1 by root 3 will be equal to 3 CD by 50 root 3. Now we will cross multiply. If you cross multiply, what will get? 3 root 3 CD, 3 root 3 CD is equal to 50 root 3. So if you transpose root 3. Now I'll divide both sides by 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 CD by 3 root 3 is equal to 50 root 3 by 3 root 3. Here root 3 will get cancelled here, 3 root 3. CD will be equal to, here also root 3 will get cancelled there, will get 50 by 3. So that's equal to, if you divide it, you will get 16 2 by 3. You will get 16 2 by 3. Therefore, now we have found CD to be 16 2 by 3. That is the building's height. Therefore, the height of the building is 16 2 by 3 meters. That is the answer. The height of the building is 16 2 by 3 meters. Now the question is, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80-meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So now here we have got two poles of equal height and they are standing on both sides of the road. And the road is 80-meter wide. So we are drawing now. Let this be the road. And let this, and we'll draw two poles. They are the poles. The poles are of equal heights. And we'll take a point in the middle. Say, let the point be here. Let that point be E. So now with the angle of elevation to the tops of the poles. This is 60 degrees and this is 30 degrees. We will name the poles A, B and CD. BD is the road. The road is 80 meters wide. So the road is 80 meters wide. The road is 80 meters wide. Now let this distance be E. I'll put the E here. I'll put the E here. Let distance BE be equal to X. We'll take it as X, this distance. So it will be 80 minus X. 80 minus X, this distance will be. The road is 80 meters. The distance BE is X meters. If I take it as X meters, ED will be 80 minus X meters. Now, let AB and CD be the poles. And it is given that AB is equal to CD. They are poles of equal heights. Let BD be the road. BD be the and we are given that BD is equal to 80 degrees, 80 meters. Let E be the point on the road. Let E be the point on the road. Okay. let BE equal to x meters. Then ED will be equal to 80 minus x meters. Now there are two triangles now. We'll take this triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle AEB is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Now we will take tan E is equal to AB by BE. Tan E is equal to AB by BE. So tan 60 B is x. Now tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 is equal to AB by x. If you cross multiply, we'll get AB will be equal to root 3x meters. Let this be equation 1. Now take this triangle, angle CDE, triangle in triangle CDE. Angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Angle CED is equal to 30 degrees. Tan E is equal to CD by ED. Tan 30 degrees is equal to CD by 80 minus x. So Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. That's equal to CD by 80 minus x. Now if you will go for cross multiplication. So root 3 CD will be equal to 80 minus x. Now divide both sides with root 3. So we get cut there. So CD will be equal to 80 minus x by root 3. This is equation 2. Since the poles are of equal height, AB is equal to CD. From 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, root 3x, because AB was equal to root 3x, is equal to 80 minus x by root 3. So we will cross multiply here. You can see here root 3x into root 3 is 3x. 3x will be equal to 80 minus x. Transpose x to the left side. 3x plus x will be equal to 80. So 4x is equal to, divide both sides with 4. Will get cut there. X will be equal to 20. X equal to 20 meters. Substitute the value of x. Value of x in equation 1. In equation 1. Equation 1 was AB equal to root 3x. So AB will be equal to 20 root 3x, because root 3 to 20 is 20 root 3 meters. So now BE is equal to X, that was equal to 20 meters. ED is equal to 80 minus X, that's equal to 80 minus 20, that's equal to 60 meters. Therefore, the height of the poles is 20 root 3 meters, and the point on the ground is is 20 meter away from pole AB and 60 meter away from pole CD. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.